you're about to let out a giant surprise. Sneezing, coughing, and even laughing can all trigger it. So, what's the cause of this explosive event? When tiny particles like pollen, dust, or even light enter our nostrils, our brain sends a signal to the nervous system. This signal causes the muscles in our throat to contract and our nasal passages to shut tight. As air rushes out of our nose, it creates pressure that forces air out of our mouth, making us sneeze. But that's not all. Scientists have also linked sudden changes in air pressure, bright lights, and even some medicines to triggering sneezes. Follow Curious Facts Media for more surprising reasons behind everyday phenomena.